Today we're going to learn about names for people and animals. Some nouns name particular people or animals. These are called proper nouns and they begin with a capital letter. Let's look at some examples. The boy plays catch with his dog. This sentence uses common nouns. Let's look at how it changes when we have proper nouns. Mickey plays catch with Fido. Mickey is a proper name for a boy. It needs to start with a capital letter. Fido is a proper noun for a dog. It starts with a capital F. Let's look at another example. The chef does not allow her cat in the kitchen. This sentence uses common nouns. Let's look at how it changes when we have proper nouns. Chef Anna does not allow Whiskers in the kitchen. Chef Anna needs to have capital letters for Chef and Anna because they're a part of her special name. Whiskers is a name for a cat, so it is also a proper noun and needs to start with a capital W.